Hello everyone, today we are going to draw Star Butterfly from Star versus the Forces of Evil. And this is Sir Antonk. Okay, the first step is going to be the draft. We have to draw a circle and the neck. The circle is the head. You're going to change it later, so don't worry. And the arm, and the hands, and the holding thing, and the circle inside. And then we have to draw the horns and the wings, butterfly wings, and the star. And inside the shapes, drawing the shapes. And we have to draw the shirt, the dress part, the top part of the dress, and then the star purse, and the line for the purse. And then you have to draw the bottom part of the dress, and the white part, and the legs, the left leg, and the right leg. On the left leg, we have to draw the boot, and it has an eye and a horn and the teeth on the bottom. Now that's okay. I adjusted the size, and the other side of the leg as well. We have to draw there. Now I'm going to draw the face. I put a divisor to divide the face in half to see which part we should draw. Okay, I drew the nose, mouth, and the eyes. And inside of the eye, I copied it and I put it on the other side. Now I'm going to reshape the face because it's not that round. It's not a circle, we have to change it. And the top part, the hair, and the hairband. I adjusted the size a little smaller so I can draw. I didn't have enough space. And now the hair. You have to draw the hair and yes, we are almost done. Now the ear, and I'm erasing the guidelines that we don't need. And I'm going to adjust the nose and mouth there. And okay, I'm adjusting the eyes again to make it look better. Okay, now we're done. Now let's do the inking. Okay, I'm going to ink the whole thing again with confident lines. And all you need to do is follow with darker color. I'm inking the stick and the hands, the arm, the dress, the purse, and the purse line, and the legs, and the boots. Okay, we are almost done. Okay, almost done with the inking process. Okay, and I fixed that a little. Okay, now let's color. So you can color in like that. There's her face is kind of like very light purple. It looks like pink, but it's actually purple. And then the hairband, the eyes, the dress, and the hair, the part, and the purse. You have to color. And okay, I took off the background so I can color white better. Okay, I'm coloring white. I'm coloring white for the eyes, and the dress, the skirt, and the stockings, and the dress again, and the hair. Okay, and inside of the stick, the star, and the markings inside the stick. And now I put back the background because now I'm not coloring white anymore. And I'm coloring the hair and the outside. I'm going to color with lighter color. And then I'm coloring the other parts. Okay, there, the lighter part, the tip, and then you can erase the ends to make it cleaner. And that shadow part of the boot, and the shadow part of the stockings, and getting rid of the lines to make it neater. And we are almost done, right? Yes, and you can do some adjustments here and there. And then, okay, I'm fixing the star a little to make it more accurate or similar. There. Thank you for watching.